When you think about falling asleep, do you feel uncomfortable? Do you get scared, or do you often find it difficult to just dive straight into your dream world? Then prepare yourself today to think into the ocean of your dreams. Activate yourself with the inhale. Lengthen your legs, your arms, and stretch them as far as you can. It's like a Seastar who wants to reach the stars in the sky. Really stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. One more. Inhale, really lengthen yourself. Activate all the muscles, contract them. Feel the activation. Exhale, release. And one more. Inhale, full activation. Exhale. Let it go. And put your hands on your belly, on your heart, where you feel you need it right now. And get aware of your breath in your fingers. Can you feel the rising of your belly, of your chest? Find peace. Get calm. And use a mantra. It's so powerful. I'm ready to fall asleep. I am relaxed. I am sinking deeper and deeper into my relaxation. I am sleeping.